In this video, we are going to see two functions, COUNTIF and SUMIF. A sample data is given here which contains name of the employees, class to which they belong, A class, B class, C class and D class, number of days of present, how many days they are present in a particular month. This data is given here. There are two questions. Find the number of employees in each class. In class A, how many employees are there? In class B, how many employees are there? Like that we have to find out. In question 2, we have to find out average number of days of presence for each class of employees. Class A, what is the average number of presence? Class B, what is the average number of presence? Like this we have to find out. So using COUNTIF and SUMIF, we can find answers for these two questions. Let us begin. The first question is number of employees present in each class. We can use the function COUNTIF. So begin by typing equal sign COUNTIF. It will ask for the range. The first argument of this function is range. So in which range, in which column you want to search for class A. This is the range where we want to search for class A. After selecting the range, we will lock the cell reference or lock the range by typing F4. Okay, if you press F4, this reference is locked because we are going to use the same formula again for searching class B, for class C and class D. Therefore, we are locking the cell reference here, comma, criteria. We are going to search for class A in this first cell. So select A and then hit enter. So there are 3 employees are there in class A. Now if you go to the edge of this cell and double click, these cells will be automatically filled up. You see the formula that is applied for column B, for class B, COUNTIF $B $2 to $B $16 E10. This is E10. So same formula is applied, copied from this cell to this cell, but the search criteria is changed. Search criteria is B. Similarly for class C and class D. Right? This is the number of employees present in each class. Now we want to find out average number of days of presence for each class of employees. To find out average number of days of presence, we need to find out total number of days of presence. For this, we can use the function SUMIF. Type equals SUMIF. Again it will ask, see the arguments here. First argument is range, second argument is criteria, third argument is optional criteria, which is sum range. The range, the first argument is similar to the range in the COUNTIF function. The range is the same thing. Column B, this is the range where we want to search, right? Log the reference, and then the criteria. We are searching for column class A, comma, and then count criteria is the sum range is this one. This is the sum range. And lock this one also. Hit enter. We got 60 here. You see here, from B2 to B16, search for E9, that is A, and add, if it is found, add that value. So that is the meaning of this function. If we double click this one, automatically the same formula will be applied for columns, classes B, C and D also. If you see B here, what formula is applied? Same thing. B2 to B16 is the range for searching. You search for E10. This is B, class B. And then the sum criteria is C2 to C16. So if B is found, take value 19. If B is found, take value 19. Add 19 to 21. If B is found, take 20. Add 19, 21 and 20. Like this, the sum will happen. Now what we have to find? Finally, we have to find the average. Average is nothing but simply this divided by this one. So average is, this is the total number of days of presence. 60 days is the number of days present for class A, divided by how many employees are there in class A? 3 are there. Hit enter. Now you double click. You need not, here we need not lock the reference. We can double click and automatically cell reference will be changed. Here G9 by F9, G10 by F10, G11 by F11, G12 by F12. Like this it will happen. I hope you understood about COUNTIF and SUMIF. In the next video we are going to see other functions. Stay tuned until then. Bye bye.